clutch plate are bad. They have already wiped off. The iron plate has already burned. The bearings are bad. Noise is coming. The bearings are bad. We need to change the bearings. The O-rings are already flat. The friction ring we need to change. The pressure O-ring also. So to make the transmission work perfect, we need to change the bearings. You can see this one has already broken inside. So we need to change a lot of things. We need to change on in this transmission to make it work perfect. So those are the parts. The seal, we need to change it also.